Hi, welcome to another segment of Kathy Brooke and Community. I have the pleasure of being here with Traci Diggins of
So wasted.
So Wasted. So I want to know where you got that name from because that's catchy.
Because of the popularity of activities that involve the activity and wine, my cousin Christina and my husband came up with you sew and then we can have a toast with a glass of wine. So wasted. You can get so wasted.
But still so?
And still, well, you sew first and you get wasted later.
No, I mean, my finger would go right through the needle. Anyway, Christina Robinson is your cousin, and she is our manager at Capital Title. So we love her to death. So tell us how this whole idea came about.
I am a teacher, and I was on Easter break, and I was watching YouTube, and on the side of YouTube, you have suggested videos. And one of the videos said, make a maxi in 5 minutes, a maxi skirt in 5 minutes. I'm like, come on. But I'm going to try it. Well, mine took a little longer. It was more like 3 hours. But when I finished and I went in the living room, I told my husband, look what I made. He says, what you been back there doing? I'm like, look what I got. Look what I. He's like, oh my God, you can wear that outside.
Or inside.
That was the beginning.
That was the beginning. Okay, so tell us how that people find you. Tell us about, we were just talking about the no waste model. So tell us what you're doing with the no waste idea.
I found someone on TikTok that makes garments, makes all kind of fashion out of waste, the waste from other projects that she has had. So she made a jacket out of all of the scraps that come off a serger. And I'm like, I have a ton of that. So following her along with some others on the zero waste, it just seems natural. Sometimes you can have a lot of waste when you finish sewing. So to actually turn that into some more art is just great.
It is. I mean, that agricultural aspect of it, and that's it.
Absolutely.
So we are in your studio, which is where?
My studio is in Harper Woods, Michigan. You can find me at So Wasted. That's SEWWAISTED.com.
And well, we appreciate that. We will definitely be going and looking for So Wasted, and we'll pop up where to find you. Thank you so much for doing this today, and we've just loved seeing your work and look forward to more.
Thank you so much. I
You're
appreciate it.
welcome.